What I'm about to show you is our scariest RV rental drop-off to date. Not knowing, surrounded, the road is flooded. I'm gonna roll the video, but here you go. This is the picture of the marsh that we had to go through. We were stuck about here. The whole road is miles long. You don't see a house in sight for miles, zero cell service. Let me roll that video. We're going on this road through the marsh to do an RV rental drop-off with my boys. Here's the picture. I'm going to do an RV rental drop-off as I go on this road with no access to turning around because we're surrounded by marsh. We just had high rain come in and the renter gave us no warning. You see the road is completely covered. This goes on for miles. Water pushing in. I'm scared we're going to get bogged down. I have my two boys with me. We don't want to leave the RV in the middle of this road. I also don't know how long this road goes on for. On my GPS, it says the location is about 6 miles away, and we had already came about 6 miles up to this point. There's no way for me to turn around. It gets deeper at times, completely surrounded. I was scared, I was nervous. I couldn't show my boys that. I just told them to keep calm. We're going to drive down the center. No cell service. Slowly making my way. Nobody really knows where we're at. I would either have to make a decision to keep going, which was very dangerous, as I did here. The water is deep, especially in this point. I just was more nervous for my boys having to walk through the cold water, not knowing for how far, to be exact, or how deep the actual water was. So I put the phone down, I concentrate a little bit here. I don't know what you would have did, but for me, I was like, man, I just got to keep a constant speed, 15 miles per hour. I think I messed with the four high for a little bit. I tried to steer right down the middle lane, but at this point, I'm completely nervous, just going through what if this, what if that. And for us, this was the scariest RV rental drop-off. No way to turn around, nowhere to drop the camper. Nobody knows where we're at. No cell service, no food. And when we do finally reach the destination, I kind of jokingly tell the renter, why didn't you give me a heads up? I would have never even did this drop off. I would have never even came. They mentioned that there's another way out. So we do take the other way out when we leave the location. But it's the unknowing of the other way. Was it worse? Was it bad? Because they never mentioned this. So what about the other way? How bad is it really? So there was another stretch where we came into like a half a mile. I could see that it was dry at one spot, but I didn't know how long it went on for. We attempted that way and it was a lot better. We are safe.